Hey, baby. You busted it. So I'm just leaving the van. We made our way to Queenstown, and it's an absolutely beautiful city, but the traffic is a bloody nightmare. Getting around, everyone has to come in and out around the same way. So that's something to bear in mind if you're coming at like peak hour or something like that. We stopped off last night and the stars are amazing. There's quite a bit of light pollution coming from where the town is, or the city is, but the lake is absolutely fantastic. As you can see in the sky, it's grey and cloudy today, so I think we're going to make our way for a bit of a walk, try and incorporate a wine tour into it if we can, stop off for some tapas. But it's definitely a hiking day. The weather's fantastic. I went in the water this morning, not for a swim, I just put my foot in, and it's lovely. When I went down to the lake with Vanita, we had breakfast down there, and we were skipping stones, and I thought that would be quite a nice photograph to try and capture the motion and the landscape. As I'm walking there now, I can see that the mist has actually made its way over the lake, which might give it a nice sort of ethereal look. I've never done a shot like this, but I'm guessing I'm going to need settings something like f8, f9, 1/6 of a second, and quite a low ISO because it's still quite bright. I haven't brought any filters with me, but yeah, we'll see how we go. Basically, if I just do this, you'll be able to see what I'm going to photograph. So you can hear the waves. They were just amazing to go to sleep to last night. Really therapeutic, really nice. We had a really good sleep. There's the freedom camping is a lot more stricter here. You can only really stay where they let you. I'll post the name of the campsite we stayed at. It was, I think, $12 per person per night, or $13 per person. And yeah, I mean, you get toilets. They're long drops, but you get a sink to wash your hands and everything, so it's not the end of the world. No showers, and you know, middle of the week, it was still fairly popular with other campers, so be expected to share your space. It might be good to come during the daytime and get a good spot. We turned up and it was monitored by one of the Department of Conservation guys, so bear that in mind. We've got to spend all day today trying to sort out the lucky camper that we've hired, and basically how it's become illegal and it's pretty much a death trap. We've had the windscreen wipers have gone, so they went, and that sort of has made the vehicle illegal and not great for New Zealand weather. What, the van? Does the van start? They're not even working. Turn them off and on again? No, the wipers. Oh, hang on, I know why. Didn't we have to do this last time? Now, try. Oh, and then perhaps I will also just point out the great big crack in the windscreen, which is also not very safe, let's face it. All in all, the only lucky people are the lucky people that are taking our money. Because it's going to be raining for the next 4 or 5 days soon. What else is there? The demisters, both front and back, don't work. So in the mornings you can't see anything. You have to kind of keep wiping it and hope for the best. Again, not perfect, you know, it's just illegal. Oh, and the other thing is, which is illegal, like around the world, there's a crack in the windscreen, which has been there since we got it. So all up, we're not very impressed with Lucky. My recommendation, honestly, without sounding slanderous or anything, go somewhere else, spend the extra $200 or $300 and get something decent. I'll point out that Lucky, I think, are a sister company of Juicy. So if that sways your decision in any way, who knows. But anyway, I've talked a lot and I promised I wouldn't, to those of you who have been giving me feedback. I'm gonna take this photo, give you the settings, and hopefully get a nice black and white skipping stone shot. Alright, I'll catch you on the flip.